Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you another fresh trade-in. It's a 2019 25QX. This boat here is absolute pristine condition. There's no scratches. There's no anything wrong with it. Powered with a Mercury 350 Verado. It's got the cladded arch. Power cladded arch, of course. Walk around here, show you guys the boat. Like I said, there's no nicks or anything. Of course, it needs a little bath. We can handle that. It's the QXFB, so it's a fastback quad bench seating. So you got fiberglass end caps on it with the kicker stereo upgraded, cup holders on the back, ski pylon. It's got the Verado 350 underwater lights. Best thing about this boat is it only has 49 hours. Interior colors driftwood with carbon accent. Pillow top upholstery on it as well. Elevated helm. Also has the kicker speaker stereo system, the Mercury DTS gauges. Also got a SIMRAD for navigation over on the right. DTS Mercury control. This one has the co-captain's chair, of course. Absolute beautiful boat located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.